To change video quality on the Facebook app, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu button, located at the top right corner of the screen on Android devices or at the bottom right corner on iOS devices. This will bring up a list of options. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Media and Contacts section and tap on Video Quality. You will see options to select the video quality for both mobile data and Wi-Fi connections. Choose your preferred video quality from the available options, which include low, medium, high, and auto. The auto option allows Facebook to automatically adjust the video quality based on your internet connection speed. If you want to save data, choose the low option, but keep in mind that the video quality may not be as clear. If you want the best possible video quality, choose the high option, but this will use more data. Once you have selected your preferred video quality, tap on the back button to save your changes. Your video quality settings will now be updated, and you can enjoy watching videos on Facebook with your preferred level of quality. It is also a good idea to check your device settings to ensure that your device is not limiting the video quality. Additionally, keep in mind that changing the video quality on the Facebook app will only affect the video quality within the app and will not affect the video quality of other apps on your device. By following these steps, you can easily change the video quality on the Facebook app and enjoy a better viewing experience.